HUMABIO is a research project co-funded by the European Commission under the 6th Framework Programme and the Information Society and Media thematic area. HUMABIO is coordinated by the Informatics and Telematics Institute of the Center of Research and Technology Hellas, while the Hellenic Institute of Transport of the Center of Research and Technology Hellas is the technical manager of the project. Nowadays, and especially after the 9/11 attacks, the focus on security and safety is intensified. Security is a major requirement in very sensitive environments such as airports, stadiums, defense installations, security companies' vehicles, dangerous goods transportation trucks, and the industry. The challenge is how to let the right people in while keeping the wrong people out reliably, using minimum obtrusiveness processes. The goal of HUMABIO is to develop a multimodal biometrics approach which will validate reliably the identity of individuals and monitor their physiological state online in a wide range of security and safety scenarios. HUMABIO evolves around two main axes: continuous, robust and non-obtrusive authentication so as to prevent unauthorized access to areas and resources, and validation of nominal physiological initial state and monitoring of the physiological state of the user before and during the execution of safety-critical tasks so as to prevent risky situations and minimize accidents that are due to human errors. The HUMABIO approach is to fuse novel and emerging biometric modalities with existing advanced biometric techniques into a multimodal biometric platform. One of the main objectives of the project is to study the potential of physiological biometrics that describe the person's internal rather than external physiology for the person's authentication. Biodynamic signatures deriving from electroencephalogram or electrocardiogram open a ways in biometrics used for identification. The main advantages of these new authentication modalities are their universality and the fact that they're very difficult to fake, since they're not observable as most conventional biometric modalities are. Special focus is also given to the face authentication as a complementary modality aiming to enhance the robustness and identification accuracy of the final system. Even though the automatic face recognition has been studied for more than 30 years, it is still a big challenge in uncontrolled environments such as the automotive one. Within HUMABIO, a face recognition module will be developed which will be able to function under factors that limit the accuracy of existing systems, such as different face poses of the driver, variable illumination and day and night conditions.
Je voudrais aller rue de Nîmes.
Vous souhaitez aller rue de Nîmes?
Oui, c'est ça, rue de Nîmes.
Voice recognition techniques are able to provide usability benefits to systems. This biometric authentication method is the least intrusive way of adding an extra level of reliability to HUMABIO system. HUMABIO focuses mainly on challenging scenarios such as continuous, online voice print analysis of conversations for truck driver recognition and the identification of individuals within a closed space such as laboratory or office. HumanGate has recently received growing interest for authentication purposes. The potentiality of identifying persons from a distance by the way they walk has rendered HumanGate a very attractive and promising biometric. Over existing biometrics, Gate offers the advantage of unobtrusive, transparent, and on-the-move authentication of the user. It requires no user interaction and it is difficult to fake. HUMABIO targets to exploit Gate authentication potential and combine it with other unobtrusive modalities such as face recognition to develop on-the-move authentication applications. Depending on the scenario, anthropometric profiles of seated persons can be used for authentication purposes. Within HUMABIO, a system able to discriminate among different persons may sit in a truck or at a workstation is under development. Currently, no sensing seat systems exist for human authentication. Furthermore, existing sensor technologies are inadequate for recognizing human subjects based on their body shape signature. In order to deal with these problems, new sensor technology is used based on arrays of strain sensors printed on Lycra fabric patches of the foreseen seat cover. These smart unobtrusive sensors, in combination with real-time artificial neural networks, are the basis of the sensing seat authentication system. Furthermore, HUMABIO gives special focus on the detection of possible deficiencies induced by, for example, drug or alcohol consumption and sleep deprivation in critical operations, that could lead to poor performance and accidents. Analysis of physiological biometrics such as brain activity, heart activity, eye movements, and balance tests will enable HUMABIO to act as a nominal initial state validation and physiology monitoring system that will guarantee the proper execution of tasks that involve risks to the environment and the people. Moreover, the potential of voice to detect abnormal state of a subject will be examined, whereas a video-based system will be developed for the monitoring of the user's drowsiness based on the blink behavior. Three pilot applications are considered in order to demonstrate the modularity and test the applicability of the HUMABIO system in various environments. The truck pilot. The system will continuously authenticate the driver of a vehicle in order to prevent hijacking and also monitor the condition of the drivers for the prevention of accidents due to hypovigilance or other causes. The office pilot. The system will continuously authenticate and monitor equipment operators and high-security environments. The airport pilot. The aim is the unobtrusive on-the-move authentication of authorized personnel using only face and gait recognition and potentially physiological modalities captured unobtrusively with the use of novel wireless physiological sensors. Our vision: to enhance the security infrastructure in a wide range of applications and to guarantee safety and privacy in a user-centric approach.